Hi there, my name is Carla Ann and I'm the car lady here at Highway Mazda in Steinbach. And today I want to talk to you about what those lines mean in your rear view camera. All right, so let's take a look at your infotainment screen, which it will not have your backup camera in view until you are in reverse. So I'm just going to pull forward a little bit in my vehicle so that you can see what happens. I'm going to put my car into reverse. And as soon as I do that, the backup camera comes up. So now you'll see there's the yellow lines, and then there's two sort of outside yellow lines, and then across there's two yellow lines, and then one red line. So what the outside yellow lines mean is that is where your car will be and that's the direction it's going. So for example, if you're parking into a parking spot that has yellow lines, so if you're in a parking lot or someplace where they are painted on lines, you would want these side yellow lines to be directly in the center, because that would put you perfectly in the center of your of the parking stall. Now it also will give you kind of an idea of where your car will be once you have come to a stop, how close you'll be to either vehicle on either side. Now you'll see that there is this white line here. It just so happens I am in a white vehicle, and that is the edge of my bumper, so the back of the car. So I can see right the very edge of my vehicle. Now as I back up, you're gonna see that there's one line is now touching the curb. There we go, it's touching the curb. What I want to do is I want to park so that not the second yellow line, but that the red line is going to be right in front of that curb. So there I am. I'm in a perfect position. If I park right here, I will actually have space between my bumper and that curb. It's a generous foot. So I'd say give maybe about 1.5 feet where you can get in there. You can open your trunk or open your lift gate, and you're not going to be banging into anything. There'll be room for that, and you'll also have room to take out whatever you have in the trunk. And then as soon as you put the vehicle back into park or take it out of reverse, it's going to go back to your regular screen. The idea of those lines is to keep you safe and put you in a right place so you can measure how much space you have. And if you are using those as guidelines, you'll find they're very helpful for doing an excellent parking job. Take care. If you have any questions, please give me a call. The number is 204-326-6437, and my name is Carla Ann. I'm the car lady at Highway Mazda in Steinbach.